Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Cloudflare Verify You Are Human loop, the one that keeps popping up even when nothing is wrong. Let's get it sorted quickly. First, open your browser and go to the menu, then select Settings. From there, open Privacy and Security and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure all boxes are checked, then clear everything. This alone often fixes the issue. Next, open your Start menu and type Virus and Threat Protection. Open it, scroll to Real-Time Protection, and temporarily turn it off. Sometimes security tools block Cloudflare checks. After that, go back to the Start menu and type Date and Time. Open it and make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Incorrect system time can cause Cloudflare to loop. Once everything is set, refresh the page. The verification should now work normally. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.